Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, the Tech Kindle Pro. So today in this video, we'll be learning how we can navigate to other pages by clicking on a button by using the basic JavaScript code, right? Also, we can learn here how to create a link and how to create a button by using the basic HTML elements, right? So let's get started with this video. So first, open the Visual Studio Code and create a folder and add an HTML file, right? I have already added an HTML file, my Java Pro, right? So you can see inside body to create a link, we can use a letter A, then click on tab so that it will create the basic structure of the link. Suppose I'm putting here the name of the link is YouTube. And inside the href means a hyperlink, right? Let me put the URL of YouTube. Okay, now run it. It will create a link on your web page. Let me put it inside a header tag so that it will look little larger. We are using h1 for a larger caption or important caption, right? So let me check it out how it looks. So it will look like this. If we'll click on this, it will navigate to the YouTube page or URL, right? So this is using the link. So how we can do the same thing by using a button tag in HTML, right? For button tag, click on button, then click on tab so that it will create a start and end tag of the button. But in this case, we cannot use the href attribute here, right? Because this will not work for button. So for that, to get the same task done with the button tag, we have to use the JavaScript code, right? Or JavaScript event. So we have already put a ID here for this button. Let me on click. Let him put a on click attribute. It means this is the on click event of JavaScript through which we will call the function. Suppose the function name I am putting here is navigate YouTube. This is the function I want to call when we will click on the button. Got it? This is the significance of this line. Let me put the name of this button as YouTube, right? This is the on click event. By clicking on this, it will call this function, right? And for this function, we have to define this function inside the script tag. Always put the script tag at the or inside the head tag or inside the body tag, but it is the best practice to keep it at the end of the body tag. And to create a function, I have used here function, then the function name, then followed by a parenthesis, then followed by a curly braces. And inside the curly braces, we have to put the actual function name or the method. So I have used here the method is location, then dot href, and we have to put the href means the hyperlink or the URL of the site you want to navigate to. You can paste here, right? Now here, this location field means it will locate when we'll call this navigate due to function, it will locate the href means the URL for YouTube when we will click on this YouTube button. Now let me run this. You can see the button is created here. If we'll click on this, the same way it will work like a link. It will navigate to the YouTube page. Got it? So this is all about creating a button by using the JavaScript, basic JavaScript code. We can navigate to other pages by using this function. Okay. So that's all for this video or for this topic. So please do subscribe this channel to get videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.